Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Need to calculate running totals in SQL? Whether it's tracking cumulative sales or expenses, you can use a window function to achieve this. Let's dive in. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. A running total is a cumulative sum that grows as you move through rows in your dataset. For example, tracking month-to-date total from daily sales. Here's an example. Let's say you have a table with sales date and amount, and you want to track cumulative sales for each day. Here's the SQL you would use. Use the sum function as a window function with the over clause. The order by inside the over clause determines the sequence for calculating the running total. Let's say you're tracking cumulative daily sales. The sum function calculates the cumulative total for each date, adding up the sales in order. Here's the result. You can also reset running totals for groups of data by adding a partition by clause. For example, let's say if your sales data table also has a column named Product ID, and you want separate running totals for each product ID. Here is the query you would use. Notice the presence of Product ID in both the select clause and the partition by clause. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.